So we're going to be hustling and bustling today. It's going to be a lot of workshop, us coming around, just making sure you guys are down hammering keys. Because I want you guys, like I said, leaving with a working funnel. So I don't like to do too much coaching and teaching up on Wednesday because I try to get you guys finishing up on everything. We're going to hit little things throughout the day still, but they're simple things, such as we still have the Downsell continuity that we want to hit. So I'm going to do that this morning. And then we're going to refresh on continuity. Then I'll do Downsell continuity. And then we're going to do the Downsell order form. Then we're going to do the pop-up and finish up on some thank you pages. And then probably around, get ready, because it's probably something you don't want to miss. It's like a magic show. It's amazing. I would say probably around 3 o'clock today, when we'll get back from our other break, is when we are going to, I'm going to show you how I call customers. All right. So I'll show you how I do that. That's always a fun time because, I don't know, a little of the serious trait comes out and a little comedian trait comes out, and like we have fun with customers, so it's really cool. So there'll be a lot of taking away from that. And then once I show you what I do, we're going to kind of turn that table around and say, okay, now let's go out and call their customers. Let's get some people on the phones. Some of you guys already done that, which is really cool. Some of you guys have been coming up to me and saying, hey, we called our people yesterday and used some of the scripts, and we got some feedback. So I was like, well, that's pretty cool. Some of you guys have been doing sales yesterday, so let me know if you guys have made some sales yesterday. I'll come around and say, hey, this is what we're kind of seeing. Here's the funnel. I can look at your stats. I can show you what I'm looking for and making sure you guys are doing what needs to happen, okay? So let's put the screen up, and we'll go through the Downsell real quick. I'll mention the regular continuity. So first off, you guys got a little bit of a teaser yesterday of a walkthrough of the actual continuity piece. So does anybody want to ask any questions or have any questions regarding continuity from yesterday of, hey, I'm having trouble doing this, or hey, how would you do this, or what's some concepts with that? Anything on that? So I had a couple questions yesterday on the continuity piece where it was the 2 buttons. So the big thing was with us, like again, you don't have to use our prices. This is the prices that we just came up with. You could always make up your own too. One of the buttons this is on the main continuity. When they click that button, it's going to take them to $196 per year. Or if they click the other button, it's going to do $96 today, and then we have to go inside our merchant account or inside our CRM to change that from 96 to whatever that is, 20 bucks a month or 10 bucks a month or 30 bucks a month. We actually have to manually do that. So our in-house team is manually going over and converting those on a daily basis. Then we're going to do our downsell. So this is if someone says no. So up on top, you guys have a little box. It's called settings. When you're inside your settings inside your upsell page. So inside settings, then there's like a general tab. And then there's on submit redirect. And then on submit redirect, there's going to be a link, a box where you put a link in right now. That link is for when somebody clicks yes to buy this product. So it's going to say, okay, someone just purchased this is perfect, but you don't want them to go to the next page in the funnel. We want them to go to the next. Some of you guys were asking, well, can we install OTO1 or OTO2s? Yes, you would put that link to the next OTO1. In our case, with the reactive funnel, we go to the thank you page of them being a buyer because they just said yes to being a buyer. So this is going to go to the thank you page, whatever that link is, became a continuity buyer. Now, if they say no, what this no button's doing is it's linking. We actually give the link to the downsell page. And this is the downsell to the continuity piece. We keep this page pretty simple. It's basically headlines. Are we up yet? Just waiting on it? Okay, cool. So let me show you what this looks like. It's extremely simple. So it's pretty much headline. Like they've already been sold on the program. We'll kind of reiterate their bullet points, reiterate their benefits and features. So, hey, would you like us to take 25% off? Or, hey, we'll waive the 96 fee. Or, hey, we'll include an extra bonus. We'll add something onto it. We'll include a newsletter, like whatever that is. Receive an exclusive t-shirt every month, the headline, and then monthly member, yearly member. So we're showing them that we reduced the price on this. Now, this is all it is. So it goes headline, just basically reiterating bullet points and features. And then, again, a button, but for a discounted price. So again, we're going to do the same thing on this page. Settings, general, on submit, redirect, link, because with these are purchase, yes link, we want them to go to the thank you buyer. If they select no, then we want them to go to the thank you non-buyer. So we're going to insert that link in that button. So that button is going to be the link to this thank you page non-buyer. We're going to go build those later on. Okay. So as you're building your continuity for your long sales form, that takes the most time, right, to write all that copy from your sales page and from your continuity sales page. This is pretty simple. Once you have your bullet points, your features, what they're receiving, hey, you're going to get meetups. We're going to meet all the time. You're going to get interactive with YouTube stars. So here's what we're going to do is let's take a minute to start building our continuity downsell and finishing up our continuity page.